Hurry up guys, catch up this Pro setup right now in 2023 and use it throughout whole 2024. Hello guys, it's Yev, and today I will show you step-by-step guide how to build your own mechanical custom keyboards based on Barebones Epomaker TH80 Pro, 75% and south-facing LEDs, plus botanical garden PBT XDA profile keycaps set on top of Budgerigar tactile mechanical switches with 55 GF gram force and super tactile sense and palm steam. It will be a very interesting result. Let's go. Okay guys, let's check what we have inside the box of this Epomaker TH80 Pro 75% hot swappable mechanical switch keyboard. And we have this Barebones version of this keyboard. First of all, you may see the product itself, and this is Barebones version. Also, we have a good made manual with all information about keyboard and what to do with it. Also, in the package, we have braided cable for charging USB-A to USB-C and simple tool. This is a key puller, keycaps puller, and this is a key switch puller. So you can do your modification immediately with these tools, which is part of the box. Next item, what we will need today from Epomaker, and this is a Budgerigar switches, and this is tactile switches with quite a bit of force what you need to apply to trigger them, and I ordered 3 packs of them to be able to assemble this Barebones version of the keyboard. Here we go. And this is a 5-pin tactile, quite clicky mechanical switches. And obviously, to be able to assemble full mechanical keyboard from Barebones version, you will need keycaps. And today I'm gonna use Epomaker keycaps, and this is Aqua something MX structure. I just love the way how it looks like. We will try today this keycap set. Let's quickly overview this Barebones version of the keyboard. Obviously, first of all, this is a 75% layout. It's a compact design. You have this aluminum knob with several functions like a volume up, volume down, mute. You can apply custom function to this using professional software, and this software allows you to do a lot of stuff with this keyboard, starting from customization of RGB and reassigning the keys and function on the keys, which is very useful, right? What is very interesting that we have south facing RGB light. Usually it's vice versa, it's north facing, but in this case it's a south facing RGB. This keyboard can be connected to up to 3 different devices, which is cool, and you can use it with Mac or Windows, just switching between them. Also, you have this wireless 2.4 GHz dongle. You can connect this to your laptop or PC. We have this switch on and switch off button and 2 level adjustment legs. This keyboard is USB-C type connection. Also, this keyboard is assembled with quite big battery. It's a 4000 milliampere, which is quite big for the keyboard. And we have pre-mounted and well looped stabilizers. We don't need to worry about this. Okay, let's open this Barebones version of this keyboard and let's check the structure, which is very important for mechanical keyboards. To be able to open this case, you need just to adjust several items, several pins on a top side and a bottom side, and carefully open the case. And now everything easy. Do not forget to unscrew these 2 screws. Okay, let's check what we have inside the case. You have a standard sandwich, some foam in between of top plate and PCB plate. Underneath you have a little bit of foam as well, battery, and this is a place for wireless dongle. Also, you have this rubber dampening stuff to prevent from the, like unnecessary sounds from the case. Okay, let's take a closer look to the switches what we will use today to assemble this keyboard, right? And we have this Budgerigar switches from Epomaker, and main parameters of the switches is the following. This is first of all tactile switches with 47 GF with initial factory lubrication, which is good, and with POM steam and dual spring and nylon housing. Let's check what does it mean and let's see what is inside. Let's quickly open one switch and I will show you all details. There we go. So first of all, the spring, and you may see what does it mean double spring, because you can see in the middle this additional section, right? This is a stem with lubrication on the rails and additional legs. This is housing of the switch, and this is a top part. And let's quickly check what we will use as a keycaps today. And this is Epomaker AquaShift PBT cherry profile with gradient, and basically that's all. And this is a closer look to the keycap. Now, the most interesting part. Let's assemble the keyboard with these perfect switches and perfect keycaps. And let's see what the dream keyboard we will have at the end. There we go. We are ready with our switches. In this case, this keyboard is 80 keys or buttons, and I need at least 3 packs of these switches to cover whole keyboard. Now let's switch to the keycaps. And there we go. Our dream mechanical keyboard made it by us from Barebones base plus switches plus keycaps. And now you see that this is very easy to do it by yourself. You need just to know a little bit details about what to order. Okay, let's do our sound test. Okay guys, we are done with the building of this keyboard, and now let's enjoy and let's type a little bit. Okay guys, I'm really happy with what we just built together with you, and it was easy, right? But the result is perfect. This is your custom mechanical keyboard and you can do it. Just use my links in the description if you want to select the same components, just to make sure that everything okay, because I already checked this. Personally, for me, it's not as perfect as I wanted. I have some plans to do a modification of this keyboard, and I will show you in the next video how to do this good keyboard even better. Stay tuned.